Welcome back to Math with Marcus. This problem comes from Course 2. Let me get that. Course 2, which is 7th grade. And it's a little bit about experimental probability versus theoretical probability. So it says a bag containing 10 marbles. That's really important here. Has 10 marbles of different colors. So you draw one, replace it, and you do that 50 times. With the following results. 9 out of 50 were purple, 16 out of 50 orange, 6 out of 50 were yellow, and 19 out of 50 were green. So those are the experimental probabilities, that 9 50ths were purple, 16 50ths, and then 6 50ths. So those are the experimental probabilities. So out of 50 marbles, we would say that, 9 of them would be purple and 16 orange and so on. But we know that there aren't 50 marbles. We know that there are 10. So we need to use what we know to best estimate what was actually in the bag. So I looked and I said, 50, if we divide 50 by 5, we get to 10. So if we basically took all of the numbers that we got and divided it by 5, we would get how many purples we would get out of 10 instead of out of 50. So we just divided both numerator and denominator by 5. And I got that 1.8 purple marbles and 3 2/10 oranges and 1 2/10 were yellow and 3 8/10 would be green. No, but there's not 8/10 of a marble. They're full marbles. So then I looked and I said, okay, so what's my best estimate then? And I said, if 1/8, that's really darn close to 2. So I'm going to say that there's 2 purples. And 3 2/10, let's round that one down to 3 oranges. And 1 2/10, let's round that to 1. And 3 8/10, let's round that to 4. And let's, at the end, make sure that this adds up to 10 marbles. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is my best guess based on what we have as to what was actually in the bag, the 10 marbles that were actually in the bag. 2 purples, 3 orange, 1 yellow, 4 greens.